working by myself. What is the light doing? The light is coming from way over there. So to pay attention to where the light is. So I have a question for you. So I am new to using this format. I'm new to using Streamlabs for streaming. I used to have music. So I'm not able to figure out how to play music in the background while I'm speaking. Is there a way that you have been doing it? Oh, actually, I think the music was from your game. That's what the music was from. Because I have a new computer, PC computer. I was using a Mac previously, and the Mac was not working out. So I used a tax refund. I got computers for everyone. Computers for everyone! You get a computer, you get a computer, you get a computer. My daughter was going to college, she gets a computer. There we go. I like that. Good line. Good line. Sit, Ubu, sit. All right, let's use this tool and we'll darken this ear. I like it. I think I like it. Think I like it. Think I like it. All right, let's find out what is going on. What is so special about today? Today is Tuesday, October 17th, 2023. Not only is today Tuesday, not only is today October 17th, 2023, it is also Pharmacy Technician Day. Woo woo! You go, pharmacy technicians. Oh, I think I've found something that is not connected. These two shadows should be connected. Go, pharmacy technicians. I have to say, our local pharmacy is, they are busy. Those people are busy. The line, I think there need more technicians at my local Rite Aid. They really need to hire some more people. But apparently, they have a problem with doing that. Is the people that are there are so busy with the people that are the people in line, and the line very, very long. Long lines at Rite Aid. So when you see your pharmacy technician today, tell them, happy day. Have a happy pharmacy technician day. I do have to get supper finished, but I will leave you up. Oh, thank you so much. I may or may not be getting hangry. I understand the hangry. I always make sure I eat before I stream. One of these days, I will have music on my stream. I keep making promises. I keep saying that just about every stream. Maybe I should have a stream about creating the music. People do these work streams where they productivity streams where they do stuff that they need to do and they just stream it. They just stream while they're living their lives. All right, all right. I think I like. I don't always like. I don't always. It's not always that you have a good pencil drawing and it turns into a good inking drawing. Because artists are dumb. Artists don't know what they're doing. We act like we know what they're doing. But we really don't. It's really just trial and error. We may have some experience with trial and erroring. So when Bob Ross makes it look easy, there's a reason for that. It's because he has practiced. He has practiced that same painting multiple times before actually putting it on, before broadcasting it. All right, so I'm going to use a brush for this line first. I'm going to use felt tip marker for this line. Yes. Yes. Looking angry. I like it. All right, what else is going on today? Not only is today Tuesday, October 17th, 2023, not only is it Pharmacy Technician Day, not only, oh, it is also Edge Day. Exactly what do you mean by Edge Day? Edge of what? The edge of tomorrow? The edge from U2? Tell me more about this Edge Day. I must know. I'm an inquiring mind. National Edge Day. What is the meaning of Edge Day? Edge Day promotes